हेलो डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट्स। आज हम लेकर आए हैं हमारे 21 डेज एसएसबी ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम पर सेंचुरियन के स्टूडेंट्स के रिव्यूज़, जिससे आपको इस कोर्स के बारे में एक जेन्युइन आइडिया मिल सके। एसएसबी के सभी एस्पेक्ट्स बहुत ज़रूरी होते हैं एंड काफ़ी ट्रिकी भी होते हैं, और ज़रा सी भी चूक से बना बनाया काम बिगड़ सकता है। इसलिए एक सक्सेसफुल सिलेक्शन के लिए ये सभी एस्पिरेंट्स सेंचुरियन के साथ अपनी एसएसबी की तैयारी फुल स्विंग में कर रहे हैं। अगर आप भी एसएसबी के लिए प्रिपेयर करना चाहते हैं तो आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी का 21 डेज एसएसबी ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम। Admissions are open. For full details, you can call or WhatsApp us at 97959 77776. Also, you can visit our official website www.centuriondefenseacademy.com. चलिए अब जानते हैं एसएसबी ट्रेनिंग पर हमारे स्टूडेंट्स के रिव्यूज़।
जय हिंद, I am Payal Maurya.
Jai Hind friends, my name is Suryan Singh.
Jai Hind friends, I am Khushi Mishra.
Jai Hind friends, I am Smarki Mahapatra from Odisha in Barampur. I am here for my SSB preparation and I am here for the last 21 days. I am a repeater. I have also appeared in the SSB in 11 SSB Allahabad, but I was conference route. After coming here, I found myself that the areas where I was lagging, I improved myself. I like to thank first of all to our Sisir sir who helped me in the psych path, and he generally have a personal interaction and personal debrief to me, and also guided me how to improve my psych path such as TAT, VAT, SRT, as well as he also guided me in my SDT part. Next, talking about the GTO, I would like to thank our sir as he helped us in the various GD tasks and in FGT, PGT, HGT, as well as in the individual obstacles. He guided me. Then I would like to thank our Avnish sir who helped us in maintaining our physique. He was the yoga, means he was performing the yoga in our GTO ground, as well as also helping us to maintain the physical fitness throughout my journey. Now I would like to thank our Colonel Sarma sir who daily had our current affairs session, that is the news session in the morning for 2 hours, thus helping us in improving our current affairs. Now I would like to thank our Pramod sir to guide us in various GTO tasks. Before in my SSB, I was lagging in my interview, I was lagging in the psych part, as well as I was lagging in the GTO task. I was unable to have and apply all the ideas in FGT, PCT. I was unable to write the answers in GP, but after joining the Centurion Defense Academy, I am able to write those answers. I am able to perform in a good manner and with a more confidence. Sir had helped me to increase my confidence level, as well as Aditya Dubey sir has helped me a lot in improving my English speaking style. Now at last I want that I promised myself, I promised my teachers, I promised my parents that this time I would definitely got the recommendation. Talking about the hostel facilities, here we are having a very good hostel facilities, having a food and getting the proper amount of food, as well as the food that is good for our health, and having a good maintenance of hostel for those who are from outside of the states as well as from outside of the Lucknow. Thus, I really thank to Sisir sir and the whole Centurion Defense Academy team to help me and to guide me in my SSB preparation. Thank you.
Jai Hind friends, my name is Suryan Singh and I belong to Basti district of Uttar Pradesh. I was earlier a written student of Centurion Defense Academy, and I promised to my teachers here that I will clear my written examination, and I fulfilled it. And now I got the chance to be a part of SSB preparation from Centurion Defense Academy. I would like to exaggerate on the point that here the GTO part is very much efficient, and I got to learn a lot of things from the, also I got the opportunity to learn about the 5-day procedure in a brief manner, and also in the GD part in GTO I learned that we have to work more on knowledge and confidence part, because here there is a focus on these points, and in the psych part I was lagging very much behind, and Shishir sir helped me to cope up with that, and I became efficient in TAT, VAT, SRT and SD. And also regarding to PPDT, here one special thing is there, that a particular debriefing of every candidate is given, which I think is very much helpful. And if I talk about the interview part is very good, as the assessors are the IOs of past SSB, and they have a very good demarcation of that particular candidate, and they know the candidate very much, so they are able to give particular debriefing very much efficiently. And at the last I want to say that I have promised myself that I will definitely be in select for this SSB, as is my first chance and golden chance, and thus I will prove myself and be a part of NDA afterwards. Thank you.
Jai Hind friends, I am Khushi Mishra from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, and I am a part of here for SSB program 21 days. I have joined the batch of 3rd October and I have completed my 21 days program. I would like to thank Centurion for making me a better person and make me aware about the SSB. When I came here, I was not aware about the process of SSB, as this is the first time I am going to appear for the SSB. After my 21 days, now I am aware about the psych part, GTO part and also the interviewing part. I would especially like to thank the Shishir sir for my psych part, as he make me understand that how to draft a story, how to write responses in SRT and how to complete it in time. I would also like to thank Aditya Dubey sir for regular English sessions in the morning that happened with us, and it make me improve my English, and he also makes us aware about the common asked interviewing questions. Shishir sir also told us to discuss in smaller groups and make a smaller groups and discuss it regularly and practice accordingly. I have observed that in those 21 days I am aware about the process right now, and I could do better in my SSB. At the last, I would like to thank Centurion for making me aware about the process, and I would also like to say that I have faith in myself and I'll crack and get recommendation in my very first attempt, as this is a golden opportunity for me. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, I am Payal Maurya, belongs to Chandauli district in Uttar Pradesh. I am here to preparation for SSB interview for 21 days. Today I want to share my experience, what I learned there. I am tell about I am a Hindi background girl. I tell about Aditya Dubey sir. I thanks him. He is very promote me and encourage to learn English. There I learn many things like PPDT, how to make a story, how narrate it, and how to discuss in a group discussion. Here I am learn in GTO many things like FGT, PGT, HGT, progressive group task, and many things. I would like to thank Colonel sir, Colonel Pramod sir, Colonel Sharma sir, yes sir, and also thanks to CC sir. They are help me to improve myself in psych part, GTO part and interview part. Here I meet many recommended candidates like Komal Saini, Vishal Singh and Gaurav Bhaiya. They are improve us to motivate and join to NDA. according to CC sir, first chance is the golden chance to join NDA. So I surely crack this SSB interview in this attempt. Thank you. जय हिंद।
इंडियन डिफेंस फोर्सेस में सिलेक्शंस के अनगिनत झंडे गाड़ने के लिए मशहूर नॉर्थ इंडिया का लीडिंग डिफेंस इंस्टीट्यूट सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी अब आ चुका है देवभूमि उत्तराखंड देहरादून में। वी हैव कोर्सेज अवेलेबल फॉर NDA, CDS, MNS, IAF, Navy and FCAT exam preparations. For 11th and 12th standard students, we also have foundation courses. 14th November 2022 से बैचेस स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं एंड एडमिशंस आर ओपन। अगर आपका भी ड्रीम है इंडियन आर्म्ड फोर्सेज में सर्व करने का तो देर बिल्कुल ना करें और आज ही ज्वाइन करें सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी देहरादून अपनी ज़बरदस्त तैयारी के लिए। उठाएं वीकली टेस्ट, मॉक इंटरव्यूज, काउंसलिंग सेशंस एंड स्मार्ट क्लासरूम्स जैसे कई और अमेजिंग फैसिलिटीज़ का फ़ायदा और करें तैयारी अपनी जीत की। For more details, you can call or WhatsApp us at 9795977776. Also, you can visit our official website www.centuriondefenseacademy.com. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.